Hey everyone, on today's episode of Cooking with Justin, we're going to show you a little bit of how we make our amazing caramel rolls. The process is very time consuming, and for that reason I decided to cut the video presentation down just a little bit. Also, I want to put out a special thank you to Lenny Lelm for helping me through this process today. For those of you who don't know Lenny, he has been with us since the early 80s. Gonna say like 1984 or so. Lenny is a huge part to the reason why these rolls are so great. Enough chit chat though, let's take it to the kitchen. Now we laid out our roll dough. I'm gonna cut it and then roll it up. Obviously using a knife again, so definitely don't take your eye off of that. Alright, so we got our strip. Cinnamon and sugar. That's how it starts, folks. Alright, so now we got them all rolled up. We sprayed our sheet pan here, and we're going to put them on here to proof before we can add caramel. Alright, so we're making caramel rolls, we're greasing up the pans here. And we're going to lay down our caramel. This is the homemade caramel now. We waited to do the video because we couldn't tell everybody our secret recipe on the caramel. But it is homemade, folks. That's what you need to know. 2, 4. 5 cups per pan. Alright, so next we put our pecans down. We try to layer it where we're going to put the rolls at, mostly. We're going to get 12 in a pan here, so. Alright, so we're going to strategically place them in the pan to make it easier for our cutting later. And then the next step, after I get them all in, they go over to our proofing box to rise for 2 hours. It's like heaven in a pan. I can smell the caramel. Alright, off to the proofer we go. Now our rolls are proofing up. We're going to move them over to the oven. Oh man, look at how high they rose. Our oven's set to 300. Cook them approximately 20 to 22 minutes each side. So 20 to 22. Flip them around and 20 to 22 more. They are fresh out of the oven. Now the next thing we're going to do is flip them over. And that's what they look like coming right out of the oven. We may add a little more caramel to the top. I'd say get ready to order now, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Stay tuned for future episodes, and leave comments below if you so desire. As always, this is Justin Bovey with the Fryn Pan Family Restaurants. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day.